Hey guys, it's me Summer and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be making two 4th of July outfits since it was 4th of July 2 days ago. I wanted to post this video on 4th of July but I didn't get a lot of time. So what are we waiting for? Let's go.
The first fabric is white, red, and blue fabric. First I'm going to start off with the shirt. And I want the shirt to look something like this, so I use it as a template. To sketch the shirt, I open it up so then it's like the layout basically, and that's kind of the entire shirt. And I'm going to sketch it out like this, so I'll only need one piece of fabric. Then when I add the Velcro, I'll only need to stitch it / hot glue it in that area. And I sadly don't know how to stitch, so I use hot glue as a supplement, which actually works pretty well. Just gotta be careful. If you don't want to use a shirt, you can always use the doll's measurements as well. Once you're done with the sketch, cut it out. Make sure it fits around the doll. Then measure and cut holes for the arms to go through. Now measure it on the doll and make some adjustments. Now add the Velcro to finish the top. We're gonna make some shorts to pair with the shirt. And for this, you'll need either blue fabric or you can use some jean fabric. This is an option, but you can also use white paint or a whiteout pen. Start by measuring the doll or grab some doll pants. Use the doll's measurements to mark where you want the shorts to end. Then sketch and cut out the pants. Then use the first one as a template to make two. Then line it up good side to good side and glue or stitch it together. Then flip it over and try it on your doll. Here's an option, but you can add white stars using a whiteout pen or some white paint. And there's the finished shorts. To add some red, we're going to be making a bandana using some red fabric. And once again, it's optional to use a whiteout pen or some white paint. First, cut out a rough square. Then, as an option, add some designs. Tie it on as a bandana to finish the look. Our second outfit will be a dress, and we'll need red, blue, and white fabric. You can also use a white ribbon instead of the fabric, but it's your choice. Once again, the whiteout pen is an option, and you can also use white paint if you want. The dress is going to look something like this, so let's start off with the top. I'm going to be using some red fabric for the top part. And our top is going to look really similar to our shirt from the last one. So basically repeat those steps except make it shorter since we are going to add a skirt of some type. Once you have it all sketched out, cut it out. Then try it on and add some adjustments. Next, let's make the bottom of the dress. So we'll need some blue fabric. Start by laying out your shirt onto the fabric. Then mark where you want the dress to end and the two sides of the shirt so you know how long your skirt has to be. Then draw a straight line down. Then after that, cut it where you want it to end. Next, we're going to be grabbing the front side of the skirt and the front side of the shirt, flipping the skirt and lining it up with the shirt. Then, on this line, either stitch or glue it in place. Then, flip it back, and it should look something like this. Next, try it on the doll to see if it fits. Now, glue both sides of the skirt together. Once again, try it on the doll to see if it fits. Then, glue a little bit of the shirt on the back, and then add a little space for Velcro and stitch or glue that on as well. And then try it on. Now cut a white strip of fabric or grab some ribbon and glue or stitch it on. I also add some stickers. This white bit not only adds some white to the dress, but also can be used as a tie kind of, I don't know what they're called, like the tie thing in case your dress is loose. You can also use this to cover up any messy bits. I decided to make my dress a bit shorter, so I can have it a bit of a reasonable length, since mine was a bit tighter than I thought it would have been. Now is also a great time to add extra details, like using the whiteout pen or white paint to add stars and stripes. But I want to keep mine how it is. Last but not least, I add some hair stickers to add some more white. And here's the second outfit all completed. You can always make adjustments, like making the top off the shoulder or making the dress shorter, but it's always your choice. To go along with the outfits, I'm going to be making a flag using a popsicle stick, cardstock, and something to color with. And don't forget the scissors and hot glue. Instead of cardstock, you can use paper or fabric, and instead of the popsicle stick, you can use cardstock or cardboard. Start by marking where you want the flag's stick to end. Then cut. Then cut your popsicle stick as close to half as possible. Next, sketch out how big you want your flag to be and color it in. Then color them out. I'm deciding to make 4, or well, mainly 3 because this one kind of failed, but I'm still gonna try. Then cut them out. Now get the bigger side of the stick and glue the flag on there. Then adjust their size. Here's your finished flag. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give a like and subscribe to support our channel. And I hope you guys enjoyed. And I'll see you in another Summer Alaya DIY. Happy 4th of July!